Hey guys, so today in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can make money on your phone. Yes, literally your phone. You can also do this on a tablet because phone and tablets are very convenient to carry anywhere you're going, but you can also do this on your laptop or desktop if you want, but I think phone is easier. And we're going to be doing this strictly on the Binance app. So you need to have a Binance app. If you don't have a Binance account, I think I'm going to make a video if you request for something like that, or you can even search online and you'll see how you can open a Binance app account. So I always talk about the CryptoBox because that's the in thing right now. A lot of people are going into CryptoBoxes and making money for themselves. If you are a student, or maybe you are not employed yet, excuse me, maybe you're not employed yet and you're looking for a job, and maybe you just want an extra source of income online, something like that. I think this CryptoBox is the way to go. So the way the CryptoBox thing works is that you have hosts. There are hosts on the particular channels, and sometimes they have guests on their channels, and the host and the guest gives out codes. So boxes, and these boxes contains codes, and those codes you need to go put them somewhere in order for you to be able to claim that reward, and that reward comes in form of cash. So basically that's how it works. Now in this video you'll be getting a tip of how you can do so, and plus I'm also going to be showing you how you can, my previous videos, if you watch my previous videos, I've always talked about crypto boxes, but specifically in this video today I'm going to be showing you how you can stake those crypto boxes, how you can stake those codes, those rewards you've gotten, how you can stake them to make more money for yourself. That's what I'm going to be showing you in this video. So you might want to stick to the end. It's very interesting, I'm telling you. And I got to know this very recently, and I'm like, oh shit, I should have known this a long time ago. But there's no lateness into anything, so you can actually start right now. If this video makes sense to you, if it's something that you like to see, you can subscribe to this channel, hit the notification bell so you get more videos when I release them like this. You'll be the first, right? Also, I'm going to be dropping my Telegram link where you can come into that platform and you get the codes firsthand. And don't forget, these codes, it is fastest fingers, so the faster you claim that reward, the better for you, because there are a lot of people also claiming that reward, so you just want to be fast in what you're doing. All right, now so this is Binance right here. Like I told you, if you want to get to the Binance Live, everything is done on Binance Live. Don't forget to also subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to subscribe to my Telegram channel as well. All the links are going to be in the description of this video. All right, so you want to, once you get to your Binance app like this, you want to scroll down to where you get this marketplace, and then you click on Binance Live on the top left corner, Binance Live. Once you click on Binance Live, you're going to see different options. So you can see them already. These are different options. So most times you want to come to where you have recommended chat room. All right, so you come there. Most times I used to stick with Tunke. All right, this Tunke guy is a wonderful host because he gives majorly BTC. So you click on his profile, you can see already he has, look at the countdown, the clock. He has 7 minutes left on this particular reward. All right, so this is how it works. All right, 7 minutes counting to this particular reward, and you can see right on his profile he has about 7.7k views. 7,700 people are already right here. And if you look at the top right corner right here, you see the host. These are the hosts. It's going to pop it out now. Those are the hosts. You can see them. He has about 4 different guests. He has 4 different guests, but he's the host. He has 4 different guests. So you want to do something like this, and sometimes in between when it's clock down timer is reading, he drops codes. If he's not the one dropping, if he has guests, those guests also drops codes. All right, so and you want to be claiming them like that. So but this has 6 minutes left, but I'm not sure I'm going to stay. So maybe I'm just going to pause the video, and once it's almost close to the time down, I'm going to show you how to claim that box. So I'm just going to pause this video, guys. Okay, so right here now we are almost approaching some seconds for this countdown to come to an end, and I'm just going to show us how we claim this box. As I told you before, this host 20k usually drops BTC, and don't be surprised if this if this particular box he's dropping is a BTC reward. All right, so this is how the CryptoBox is. This is how the thing works, but some of the guests are not dropping boxes. They didn't drop box intermittently, but let's just claim this one and see how it is. But when you're going on your own live, you're going to see so many boxes that you can claim from. And so 5 4 3 2 1, let's claim this, guys. Just click on open. I got 1 BTC you can see, but I told you. But if you want to see what other people got, you can see, you can just click on the box he dropped, this particular box, click on it, and then you see what other people got as well. You can see somebody got 12, 8, 11, 7. You can see what people are getting as well. So if you're very fast, if your internet is strong, you get more, but that's it. That's how you claim the box. So once you claim the box is going to be in your funding wallet. So let's go to funding wallet. Let's just see how it is. Remember, I told you I'll be showing you guys how you can stake. All right, so I'm going to wallet. If you click on wallet right at the bottom part, click on wallet. All right, so these are the ones I've been doing since yesterday. All right, but I'm going to get there very shortly. I don't want this video to be very long. So yeah, you come to your funding, then you can see I've claimed some already. All right, so that's why it's showing me 0.0058. So I have about that. I've claimed. These are the ones I've claimed. All these tokens, all this I got, they're all from CryptoBox. All this BUSD, all of this Smooth Love, Portion, Astar, MP, all of them are from CryptoBox. All right, if you come to that's my funding. If you go to my spot, you see a whole lot of them. You can see True, you can see a whole lot of them. Even Trust Wallet token, I have them. Ocean, I have them. So that's how it is, guys. And this is money. I always tell you, in future you can see an investor who wants to invest in one of these crypto you got, and you've made it big for yourself. So don't underestimate little beginnings. I always tell you that. Now I showed you this before. When you come to N, you see all of these assets. Okay, these are the ones I did yesterday. All right, these are the ones I'm staking already. I'm staking my Shiba, I'm staking BUSD. You can see I have 108,477.79 SHIB. All right, all that I got from CryptoBox. All right, USDT, even AMB, Reef. I've staked all this. Now let me just show you. Once I click on SHIB, you can see I did a flexible plan reward. This one I can actually I can withdraw it at any time. All right, but I did a flexible plan for, you can see it right here. I can once you click on SHIB, it brings that. Then you click on the flexible, and then it brings these other details. I can redeem, I can do auto subscribe and all of that, but that's just how it is. So but this is a flexible plan. But once you come to even my BUSD is also the flexible plan I did, USDT. But for AMB, these are fixed. I put my AMB for 150 days. I'm going to get 100% reward back. And my Reef, I put it at 30 days. I'm going to get 8.9% on what I invested in, and I invested 10. You can see I invested 10 Reef. For my AMB, I invested 28 8 AMB for 180 days, for 150 days rather. My reef, I did 10 for 30 days. So that's how it works, guys. But let me show you how you can get here. So once you come to your home, sorry about my network. Once you come to home right here, okay, you come to more, where you see deposit, referral, football, fever, N, and more. So you just click on N. Once you click on N, it brings this page up. You can see where it shows you protected products, and these are the coins that are protected by Binance, you know. So you have the APR, that's annual periodic return, annual period return. You get 5.5%. BTC, you get 1.5. BTC is low because, you know, BTC is volatile. It's the highest. It's fluctuates, so it's lowest. All right, and then you have BUSD 6%. APR, that's annual periodic returns. That's what you get. All right, and then so this is, once you click on the simple earn gives you different coins, tokens. It gives different coins and their plans. All right, like you have ape. If you're okay, let me just use ape for an example. You have ape right here, and ape is going to give you 219.9% return as annual periodic return after 120 days. That's if you're taking the 120 days plan. 60 days, you can see it's changing. 30 days, 10 days, and flexible plan is 11%. But I don't have APH right now. Let me go to the coin I have. Okay, I have True. All right, but you can see that True has only flexible plan. There's no 30 days, no 10 days, none of that. That's because those days have been sold out. You know, it has been sold out, so you won't see it. All right, so I have True. Let's just say I want to subscribe to True. I click on subscribe. All right, you can even see the flexible plan has been sold out, so I can't even get that. But let's just see. So I click on, okay, I can't even get it right now because it has been sold out. Let me go to something. Okay, let me do BTTC. I have BTTC. All right, and all of these coins I got them from CryptoBox. You just need to start. So, and this is how you make money for yourself. This is just a simple way you earn on Binance. All right, so once you click on BTTC, click on subscribe. All right, so you can see all of this plan. So the minimum that is required for BTTC is 300. Do I have up to okay, I have up to 300. You can see I have almost 260,000, you know, and all of this once again is from CryptoBox. So you need to kick into that. All right, so if I'm going to do this for 120 days, once you scroll down, you can see the estimated APR right here is to change daily. And don't forget, these rewards are on this for 120 days. So I'm going to get 27.60% on my investment. All right, so let me click on 90 days and see 90 days. You can see that 90 days is going to reduce 20.90. You can see that. Let me click on 30 days. I think I would like to do 30 days. Click on that. I just need 10,000 for 30 days. 30 days, I'm going to get 10.9%. So let me do this 90 days. Let me just do 10,000. All right, I'm showing you guys 10,000. All right, so I'm still going to have about 16,000 plus BTC left. All right, so 10,000, my estimated interest is going to be this. And once you've done that, you just click on this box to agree. Click on confirm. So I'm clicking on confirm right now. My subscription is successful. So I just go to my wallet to see this. You can see my BTTC here is right here. This is it. You can see 30 days. Estimated APR is 10.9%, and I destaked, and I only staked 10,000 worth of BTTC. You can see it right there. I mean, this is how you grow your money, little by little. And once you've done this, let's go back to N. Once you've done this, all right, you can now start going into the bigger ones. Once you've done simple earn, and maybe you want to advance, you can now go into BNB Vault. All right, go into BNB Vault. You can go into different types. You can go to Ethereum 2.0 and stake your Ethereum. All right, and this is the way you make money for yourself. You can even go to okay, that's my wallet. All right, so but that's how it is, guys. This is how it works. If you don't understand this video, you can watch the video over and over again to understand, and you just make money for yourself. So that's the simple earn. But let's assume we come to this protected product, and let's say we want to do ADA. I click on my ADA right here. It gives me options, flexible plan, and all of that. So this is how ADA works. All right, I click on my SOL. It gives me a flexible plan of 5%. The flexible plan is a plan that gives you daily reward. Flexible. Once you subscribe to a flexible plan, it gives you daily reward. You get daily, but don't also bear in mind that daily reward is subject to the crypto market exchange. Once the product goes up or the coins come down, you gain or you lose. So you just need to be very, very mindful of what you're doing and make your own research as well. So I hope this video has been helpful to you guys. This is how you make money on your Binance app, by staking those crypto boxes, those rewards you have gotten. This is how you earn money. If this video makes sense to you, once again, please like the video, subscribe to this video. You can also make comments. I'm also here to learn. You can make comments, subscribe to this channel, subscribe to my Telegram channel, and then let's make money together. Until next time, guys, bye for now.